Today we are going to be showing you the absolute moistest chocolate cake. In this video we're going to go over a tip that'll make this chocolate cake so moist it'll blow your mind. Let's get started. Hey everyone, I'm Aarav.
And I'm Ayush.
And you are here on our YouTube channel, The Tasty Twins. The channel that offers you simplified recipes along your baking journey. Alright, we got a large bowl here with a sifter and we're going to sift in 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And then to this, we're gonna sift in a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Let's sift this up. Alright, now we're gonna add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And now our mountain of dry ingredients is going to need a mix, so let's do that. Alright, now we're going to add in 1.5 cups of whole milk and a 1/3 cup of olive oil. Let's give this a mix. So before we put our batter in our pan, we got to butter it first. Just got some butter on the paper towel here. Make sure you get the sides and the bottom as well. Alright, for the next step, usually we add flour to keep it all powdery and for the cake to not stick on the pan, but because it's a chocolate cake, we're going to be adding cocoa powder. Just a couple of tablespoons and then we'll shake it around. Okay, let's shake it around now. Alright, this is what it should look like. We tapped out all the excess and now let's pour our batter. Okay, so usually we would put this in the oven and bake it normally, but we're not going to be doing that today. Our hack is putting it in a steam oven, and this makes it really, really moist. We're going to put it in our steam oven for 1 hour on 250 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a steam oven, then you can just use a regular oven. But because we don't want much water on the top of our cake, we're going to cover it with some tin foil. Alright, let's steam this. For the chocolate ganache of our cake, we're going to get 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and add it into this bowl. And now we're going to add 1 cup of very hot, heavy cream. Alright, we're just going to let this sit for 5 minutes. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes, and now let's mix it inwards to outwards. Alright, we definitely recommend making our ganache before making the cake because we have to put this in the freezer for 2 hours minimum, so let's do it right now. Alright, so our ganache is out of the freezer, so let's ice our cake. Alright, once we've done the best we can, we're going to add some chocolate chips. Alright, let's put it in the fridge to cool down. Alright, I'm so excited to give this a try. It looks so dense, it looks so moist, so let's do it. Woo! Look at that. Wow, that is so good. It's so moist, and the icing really helps with the overall result, so it's amazing. So I hope you give it a try. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, then consider liking down below. And if you like making desserts like this and want to support us along the way, then consider subscribing to our channel. Alright, that's it for us today. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed this content, then consider liking down below. Click over here for our last video. Click down there for our summer series. And if you'd like, subscribe right here. And we will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.